Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hey, what's up guys? Meet with me again in News CNC channel. Okay, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show how we can check Debian Linux version and also checking the file system of our Debian Linux. Let's do that. How? Now, I'm logging first as my user in here. Of course, I need to super user in here. Okay, for checking Debian version, you can just do with this command. Okay, lsb underscore is release. Okay, like this, min da like this. Okay, you can see in there, this is your Debian version. Okay, and then how to checking your system. Okay, I don't need to clear for checking. You can just type hostname ctl like this. Okay, you can see here in my architecture is 64-bit in this here, and the kernel is Linux 4.9.0, and you can see dash 4 dash AMD 64. And for codename, my Debian version is stretched in the hostname GTL. You can see in the stretch after GNU Linux 9. Okay, that's all tutorial how to checking Debian version and also uh, the file system version. Thanks for watching and bye bye.